Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of Calbiotech Intact PTH ELISA test kit. You can see here it's Intact PTH Parathyroid Hormone ELISA test kit. You can see the reference part number and the lot number here, the manufacturing date and also the expiry date. You can see it's a CIVD certified and it's from Calbiotech US. I'll just show you around the box. You can see this here. Here you go. You can see here the package contents. You get the well plates, the control standard set, enzyme conjugate, wash buffer, and you get stop solution, substrate, and enclosed certificate of analysis. Yeah, this is a 96 well plate test kit. You can see this here. So let me open this box for you. Okay, here you go. You can see it says there is an IFU brochure. You can see this here. It says Intact PTH ELISA test kit. The Calbiotech Intact PTH ELISA test kit is intended for the quantitative determination of intact PTH, parathyroid hormone, in human serum or plasma. You can see that this is and also the key contents also is given here actually. Material provided is here. This IFU brochure has the complete details about the principles of the test, and you have the test preparation. You have the test preparation and test interpretation. So you have all the information that you want, that you need to conduct the test in a successful manner. Here you go. I'll just give this here, and further if you go, there is one another sheet which is the certificate of analysis. You can see there's a certificate of analysis here. There's a certificate of analysis. In the certificate analysis, you can see the key contents. It says microwells coated with streptavidin and PTH standard 6, PTH control 1, PTH control 2, assay diluent, anti-PTH biotin reagent, PTH enzyme conjugate, stop solution, wash concentrate, and TMB substrate. You can see this is the certificate of analysis. You can see the catalog number here, details. You can see this is the certificate of analysis. You can see. The certificate analysis is to this side. Then if you further check, you get the 96 well plate. Here it is. You can see this plate. This is how it looks like. So here it is written Calbiotech streptavidin coated wells, and you have the reference part number, lot number, and also the expiry period for this. The 96 well plate you have to store between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. And then here are the other solutions here. Let me go one by one. You can see TMB substrate. You can see the reference part number here. It is a 12 ml bottle. I'm putting it back. And then you have PTH enzyme conjugate. The reference part number here, 7 ml bottle. And then you got wash concentrate 20x 280 degree 25 ml. Putting it back, and then you have anti-PTH biotin reagent, a 7 ml bottle. You can see the bottle here. Putting it back, and then you get stop solution. This is the reference part number, 12 ml stop solution. The lot number and expiry period is given. Then you see there's assay diluent 5 ml. The reference part number is here. Just putting it back. Okay, then you got the lyophilist control. You can see the part number, the control 1. Then lyophilist control 2, 0.75 ml. You can see this here, control. And then one more. PTH standard 6 lyophilist, 0.75 ml. Put it back. So this is total summary. Just quickly to summarize here. Today we've seen the unboxing of Calbiotech Intact PTH Parathyroid Hormone ELISA test kit. In a 96 well plate test kit. In each box you get one IFU brochure and you get the certificate of analysis and a 96 well clotted pet and different solutions and reagents to conduct this test. These are the complete how the test kits looks like. Thank you.